how to install Barclays Mobile App. So basically, if you want to install the Barclays Mobile App, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Now for this, basically all you have to do is to simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your Play Store if you are on Android. If you're on iPhone, you want to make sure to open up your App Store. Now after that, what you have to do is you want to simply launch the Barclays and search for Barclays in your search icon there, and after you've done that, you will be able to find the Barclays mobile application if it is available within the region. If it is not available in your region, by the way, you will not be able to find it, and also you'll find the install button next to it if you haven't installed it before. And this way you should be able to install Barclays mobile app. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.